Welcome, everyone, to a breaking news update. Today, we bring you a harrowing incident that unfolded at Japan's bustling Haneda Airport. A collision between a passenger plane and a Japanese Coast Guard aircraft has left 5 people dead. Let's delve into the details. In a shocking turn of events, an Airbus A350, one of the industry's newest and largest passenger planes, suffered severe damage in a collision on the runway at Tokyo's Haneda Airport. This marks the first significant incident involving the A350 since its commercial debut in 2015. The Japan Airlines flight JAL 516, carrying 379 passengers, collided with a Japanese Coast Guard aircraft on the runway. Miraculously, all passengers on the JAL flight managed to evacuate safely before the plane was engulfed in flames. Unfortunately, the 5 crew members of the Coast Guard plane lost their lives. Eyewitness accounts reveal the chaos inside the Japan Airlines plane. Anton Dabe, a 17-year-old passenger, described the cabin filling with smoke within minutes. Panic ensued as passengers rushed to emergency exits, highlighting the terrifying moments faced by those on board. Transport Minister Tetsuo Saito commended Japan Airlines for taking appropriate procedures in evacuating all passengers and crew members swiftly. The airline's quick response played a crucial role in preventing further casualties. Transport safety officials are currently analyzing communication records between aviation control and the involved aircraft. The focus is on understanding the circumstances that led to the collision. Interviews with JAL officials are planned to shed light on the sequence of events. Haneda Airport, one of Japan's busiest, faced operational challenges due to the incident. However, officials worked tirelessly to prevent delays in the delivery of relief goods and other critical operations for the disaster-hit region. The Airbus A350, a twin-engine, twin-aisle aircraft, suffered severe damage in this unprecedented incident. With over 570 of these planes in operation globally, this marks a significant event for the aviation industry. The International Air Transport Association expressed condolences and solidarity on social media, acknowledging the difficulties Japan has faced in the last 2 days. The aviation community comes together in support of those affected. As the investigation unfolds, our thoughts are with the victims and their families. This tragic incident at Haneda Airport serves as a stark reminder of the uncertainties in air travel. Stay tuned for further updates as authorities work to determine the cause of this devastating collision. Thank you for joining us in this special news report. If you found this information valuable, please consider subscribing for more updates. Our hearts go out to those affected by this unfortunate event. Until next time, stay informed and stay safe.